Okay, so I just read about this new operating system called AtomicOS, and it's built entirely around security. Like, it prioritizes that over everything else.
Wait, seriously? An OS that actually puts security first? That's wild. Usually performance is the big focus.
Right? It has real features like AES 128 encryption and SHA-256 hashing built right in. It's not just some project with flashy promises.
Exactly. And they even implement a memory management unit, MMU, for physical and virtual memory management. I mean, that's a big deal.
Oh, wow. So you're telling me it has a complete memory management system? That really changes how we think about OS design.
Yeah, and check this out. They enforce what's called WX, which basically means memory can either be writable or executable, but not both.
Hold on, that's mind-blowing. It acts like a bodyguard for memory, ensuring that malicious code cannot be run without permission.
Exactly. And this also means a reduced attack surface, which is crucial since a lot of issues come from exploitable memory.
Right. And to make it even cooler, it has a programming language called Tempo, designed for deterministic execution.
Wait, Tempo? Is it actually focused on worst-case execution time analysis? That's rare.
Yes, it can compile down to x86 assembly, which is super efficient. Imagine the capabilities that gives developers.
This just keeps getting better. But I'm curious, how do you even go about building something like this?
Well, they provide instructions with prerequisites like cross-compilers and assemblers. It's a bit technical, but accessible for those interested.
Cool. And since it's open source, anyone can contribute, right? That would speed things up.
Exactly. They encourage forking the repo, making changes, and submitting pull requests. Collaboration is key.
This really sparks my curiosity. What does their documentation look like? Is it detailed enough for beginners?
They've got a reality check section, which is a brutally honest assessment of its capabilities, plus evidence of tests run.
That's so refreshing, so they acknowledge their limits. No network stack or file system yet, though.
Yep, it's still educational. They advise it's not production ready, but imagine the learning curve for developers.
Totally. This is like a playground for anyone wanting to get into OS development and security.
And they have a demo on YouTube. Seeing it in action must be so impressive, especially the boot process.
Oh, I can only imagine. It's like witnessing a baby taking its first steps in the world of cybersecurity.
Exactly. It's inspiring to see something raw yet built with such clear purpose. It really gives me chills.
So when you think about it, this project isn't just about tech. It could reshape how we think about security altogether.
Wait, think about this. What if more systems adopted this security-first mindset? That would change everything.
Oh wow, can you imagine? It could lead to a major reduction in vulnerabilities and better overall user safety.
And that's something we all desire today, right? Better security in our everyday systems.
Absolutely. And if educational projects like this inspire more security-focused designs, that's a win.
So if we put all this together, AtomicOS is not just an OS, but a blueprint for future developments.
Exactly. It sparks so many ideas about what we could achieve. I can't wait to see where this goes.
And the implications are huge, especially for industries that deal with sensitive information.
For sure. It feels like this discussion opens up a treasure chest of possibilities.
Yes. Now imagine if they implement a complete network stack and device drivers. What would that look like?
Oh, now I get it. A robust system like this with full features could genuinely change the game.
And it makes me think, what if other OS projects started adopting similar principles?
Oh, wow. That would definitely push the tech community forward. We might see some fascinating collaborations.
Totally. It's conversations like these that remind me of the innovative potential in simplicity.
Yeah, and AtomicOS is a great example of how focusing on the essentials can lead to groundbreaking work.
So this leaves me pondering, how can we encourage more projects to prioritize security like this?
That's the million-dollar question, right? Maybe highlighting these success stories could inspire many.
What a fascinating journey we've taken today. I'm genuinely excited to see where AtomicOS goes from here.
Same here. It's amazing that with projects like this, we might be on the brink of a security revolution.